Hi, I'm Mindy Martell from Clothier Design Source. We're a design house and factory in the USA for apparel entrepreneurs. And I just wanted to talk a little bit today about fabric. So if you take a look around here, you can see we warehouse a ton of fabric for a ton of our clients. And how that works is we work with you on finding the right fabric for your apparel products. We have relationships with vendors all over the world. So we work with maybe over 250 vendors, some of them in the US, Italy, Asia, India, other places in Europe. So we work with you to find the right fabric for your product. If it's important to you to have it made in the US, then we work with you on that. If it's important that you have like eco-friendly or biodegradable parts of your fabric, then we work with that. So really we have a whole team of people that will help you find the right fabric. So like some of the fabrics that we work with, we can actually help do custom prints for your fabric. We can develop whatever kind of print you're thinking. We have artists here that can develop a print just for your line. It's going to be different than anyone else's line. A lot of our fabrics are custom colors for clients. We also have things such as maybe a custom print. This is actually for a product we're working on. It's going to be some pet apparel. It's pretty exciting. Let's see. We've got fabrics that are going to be wicking. I know some of these fabrics are, like this fabric right here actually has a backing on it, so you can see. And so that is a like water resistant, breathable fabric, similar to a Gore-Tex, but actually even more high tech than a Gore-Tex. So if you're looking for something technical, we can help you do that. If you're looking for a really special color, maybe something like this, that has to match even something else, we can do what's called lab dips. So we can work with a fabric mill to get a custom color developed for you. We also have stock colors that you can work with if you're looking for lower minimums. It just depends on what you're looking for. What else do we have here? Let's see. Oh, I don't know if you can see this one up here. This is a really great fabric. I'm not sure how well you can see it. This is a bonded fabric. See how it's different on that side and this side? So that fabric is, again, pretty technical fabric. It's breathable, but it also is wind resistant with that fleece layer bonded. So it's two different fabrics we had developed and then had them bonded together. That creates a wind and water barrier, but has that warmth and comfort. So again, whatever you're looking for, we have the team here that can help develop your fabric or find you the right fabric. So just contact us at info@Clothier Design Source, and we can always do a free 15-minute consultation and just figure out what your needs are and see if we would be a good partner to help you out. All right, thanks.